Mr. Worldwide here in Bangkok at my condo. We're about to go to a Thai cooking class in Phra Kanong. Let's go.
So this is kaffir lam. Kaffir lam. It's the fruits of the leaf. This one. This one we use only skin. We add in the curry paste to get more flavor. If cannot find this one, don't use skin of normal lamb. Skin of normal lamb is bitter. Coriander. That's one. Coriander. The root also we use this one. So this root all the time we going with this that to make Asian parsley.
Coriander.
This one we use for the soup, spicy soup, coconut soup. Tom yum cung, tom kha. This one. This parsley and parsley in your country not safe. Not safe. So this is eggplant. Thai eggplant. This one. This is also eggplant. This one we call pea eggplant, not baby. So this is squash chili. So this one is not spicy. This one is the same pepper, not spicy. This is a Thai spicy one. This one is spicy. And this is bird eye chili. Bird eye chili. This one more spicy than this one. Smaller, stronger. Then oyster. Oyster sauce, this one. Oyster. Tamarind, we have two types. We have sweet and sour. This is sour. And then chili paste, this one. Chili paste and curry paste is not the same thing. And this one we use for the spicy soup. Tom yum cung. This one. So this dry chili. Big one. This one is not spicy. It's the same fresh one I show you another shop, but this one is dry. Most we use for the color and then the flavor, not really for the spicy. Spicy one, this one. Spicy one is this one. So this is garlic, and normal garlic, Chinese garlic. This is Thai shallot, shallot, this one. And then there's Thai garlic. Small, smaller. Shrimp, this one. You have a look like this, you see? Oh, it's clear, tail clear, head clear, like this. It's good. If you look like this, you see all clear. That's one is good.
That's for the market. For the smell.
Not that one. Can smell, that's one can smell. The leaf like this. And so now we make sweet coconut cream to make with sticky rice. This is a coconut milk 100%. Leaf. This one is the same leaf or the same leaf. If you don't have 2 or 3 dots of this, can smell that's one. And then this one, when you mix, don't do like this. If you do like this, you will break sticky rice, and then don't make a circle like this. If you want to separate, do like this too. And then fold. Turn, like this. For half in this one, half in this one. Good. Good. Water. Okay then.
Where do you use that?
This one. Yeah, put back on the tray. Separate side, this side, this side, that's this side. chop more. This one. Chop, 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 chop.
This one.
That one.
Okay. This one just the slices.
Smash only, smash only, smash only. How it? Other. Tung tang, tung tang, tung tang. Harder, but keep everything in the motor, not everything out like that.
So this is the end result. This is the red curry paste.
Slow down. So now start to stir, let it boiling. Up your heat a little bit and let it boiling. Up your heat a little bit and let it boiling. Chili and basil.
There you go, guys. Hi guys, I'm just filming a YouTube video. So
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Where are you from? Hong Kong? Ah, right. Nice to meet you. Hi.
I got
Yeah, small one. Yeah. So how was the cooking? Was it easy? Did you find it?
For me, it's easy.
Yeah, yeah. It's similar to how you cook in your home country.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Hong Kong is slightly Hong Kong style.
With a wok. Yeah. Yeah.
But we don't have much not basil.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's nice. Very nice. How is this compared to food in the Philippines?
similar in a way that we use numbers of spices.
Yes.
Herbs.
Yes.
Yeah.
But taste is different.
Yes, tastes different. Yeah. It's great.
Yeah.
If you not eat spicy chili, add later.
Yeah.
So now we add chicken.
That's very spicy. We're going to cook our last dish, which is the pad thai.
Stop cooking and then continue with the minimum. in water. Don't worry, don't worry. I use the corner, not the corner.
이것만 나와요.
Ready. And sauce. Everything in the middle, everything in the middle. This one leaf is over the middle, leaf is over this segment. This, toyo, and then add egg, egg. 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 And then circle your wok, circle your wok, circle your wok, lift it up,เอาไป2 วันเลยมันก็ต้องมาเสร็จvegetable in yes
Isabella.
맛있니? Bye. 오늘 좀. Enjoy. Enjoy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So good.
Yeah.
Final outcome.
Hi.
Hi.
How is the food? Is it quite spicy?
Oh, it is very nice. I mean, this one is absolutely not spicy, I think, because I didn't add any chili, but it's very nice.
Oh, very nice.
It's very like. Тима, ты делаешь chili?
No,
No, you didn't.
don't do any action.
It was hard to cook it all.
Yeah.
Remember all those things, 15 things to put into it.
Yeah, that's right. Do you think that you will buy these ingredients when you're back home and maybe try and cook this dish again?
Definitely we will try, but it requires, I think, two people, because the way, the speed at which we were like kind of combining things together,
Yes.
the final stage, you need help.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Google as well. Google
And
for
obviously, yeah.
to read aloud. Add tofu. Yeah.
So here's the mango sticky rice, which the instructor made. Actually, we did not make this, but here is the end result. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video.